1.2009 Honda Pilot Sport Utility. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas 5.6, 3.5L 212, 4WD locking limited slip differential, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, temporary spare tire, Sunday moonroof, automatic headlights, fog lamps, privacy glass, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, remote trunk release, power liftgate, AM/FM stereo, CD changer, CD player, premium sound system, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, entertainment system, heated mirrors, power mirror S, integrated turn signal mirrors, mirror memory, third row seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, leather seats, bucket seats.